In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily delete your last name on Facebook. Be sure to to end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon to go to Settings. Then tap on the gear icon to go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap on See More under Account Center to go to Meta Account Center. Once there, select your Facebook profile. At the top of the page, you will find a name option where you can change your first, middle, and last name. To remove your last name, simply delete it. However, if you try to save your changes, you will notice that they will not continue because the last name field cannot be left blank. Here's a workaround. You need to enter at least once character in the last name field. You can use space which is invisible. Just press the space bar to add a space. After that, click Done. Now you can select Review Change to proceed to the next step. Click on the Appropriate button to save your changes. That's it. Thank you for watching.